Okay. It's Sunday night, and here is the other variation of the Google review. So remember that previous Zap, we made a spreadsheet, created a spreadsheet row that added their name, how many stars they left, and the comment. What I did is I manually went and grabbed the 10 previous Google reviews with a comment from the McBride agency so I could build a spreadsheet and show you what this looks like in full use. So you can build, like you say here, we're going to have 10 Google reviews, which in theory, the McBride agency could use as social media content. And that's why I tell people they should do it. So we've got our basic template here. We've got a placeholder here for the review and a placeholder here for the name. So what I've already downloaded that spreadsheet. So we're going to use bulk create, upload data. I'm going to grab the spreadsheet. And right here, you're going to select connect data. And this one's already pre-done. So, but comment would be the review. And connect data would be the name. And I need to redo that because I just undid it. There we go. Now I'm going to hit continue. We're ignoring the stars part because we already have 5 stars. That's just an internal filter I use. But hit continue, generate 10 designs. And now it has created 10 on brand, technically, because I would have, Patrick would change this, but the background and all that stuff, you can do whatever you want with it. But the reason the other video I even said, you don't have a ton of control unless you write a bunch of HTML and code to change it. This, as you know, the reviews are bigger or longer, you can change the font size really easily, but it's already in here. You didn't have to do a bunch of copy and paste, and it's just ready to use. Maybe some tweaking here and there. But this is a very quick way to make a whole bunch of Google review images from data you zapped into a spreadsheet from your Google My Business profile. Thanks.